Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. The plane was released. Burkina Faso made its point. As of now, the Nigerian soldiers and the aircraft that was detained in Burkina Faso have been released. That's fact matters because it tells us something important right away. This was never about escalation. It was never about war. It was never about humiliation. It was about protocols and sovereignty and boundaries. Burkina Faso made its point firmly and without backing down, and that alone tells us about where Africa is heading. Today, I want to break it down, what really happened, why it ended, and why it didn't, and why the message still stands even after release. What people are misreading, a lot of people are saying the plane was released, so the issue is over. That's a mistake. In geopolitics, politics, release does not mean retreat. Calm resolution does not mean weakness. And de escalation does not mean the message disappear. What Burkina Faso demonstrated here is something Africa has not been allowed to show for decades. Control enforcement, not shouting, not threatening, and not panicking. Just you cross the line, we'll handle it properly. That alone is a shift. Let's be clear. This was not about a random emergency landing. It was about, and it was not about confusion, and it wasn't personal. It was about airspace sovereignty and military protocols. In today's Africa, especially in amongst the AES states, military movement is no longer treated casualty, even when it involves regional power. Burkina Faso has made it clear